Evaluating functions. Evaluating a function means finding the output or the value of y for a given input or value of x by substituting it into the function rule. So there are three things here. First of all, you have the function rule. Secondly, you have the input x value. And thirdly, you need to look for the y value, which is the output. So looking for the y value is what we call evaluating a function. A very short example here before we go to the real quiz that is in our study guide. We have a function rule of x is equals to 2x plus 3. This is the function rule. And we were given the input, the value of x as 4. Find the outputs. So what we are going to do, because we've already said that, you'll take the input given, which is x, and substitute it in this function rule. This one is function rule, FR, function rule. So we shall say the value of y, or the output, is equals to 2 times, instead of x, we shall put 4 there. We substitute it with 4, then plus 3. Y shall be 2 times 4 is 8 plus 3. So our output is 11. Simple as that. So you take the value of the input given or the value of x, and we substitute it in the function rule. Our function rule is clearly indicated here. And then you look for the value of the output. There is a small quiz that I would want us to do together because it is in our study guide, and see whether you have understood what we have just said. Our example, what is the value of the function rule given as 3x squared plus 4 when x is negative 3? From the first example that I have given you, the value of x was a positive. That means the input was a positive. But in this one, the input is a negative. Let us see how you substitute. Solution. Like that, we'll have to say the function, the function rule, now with the value of x being negative 3, so f into bracket negative 3 is equals to 3 into value of x is negative 3 squared plus 4. That function rule, or the output, becomes 3. Negative 3 squared is 9. So 3 times 9 plus 4, which is 27 plus 4. And we get 31. So our output is going to be 31. And I have just indicated that you can get the input as a positive or a negative input. What you only do is substitute the input in the function rule and get the output. This output can also be called the value of y. The function, the f negative 3 into bracket, can be called value of y, or the output. Thank you very much for watching our videos. We are still on. We shall keep on helping you. Keep watching and following Prepsaret YouTube channel. Goodbye and see you next time.